Let's get started with arm circle. Laying with your spine over the ball between upper and mid spine, not the lower part of the back. Hands come behind the head or arms parallel to floor. Inhale, circle arms out, upper spine slowly over the ball. Exhale, curled up. Inhale, take deep breaths here. Exhale, abs are engaged, come back. One more time. Inhale, opening the chest. Exhale, come back. No tension on shoulder. Staying curled up. Hands are behind your head. Interlace finger. Inhale, expanding back over. Exhale, curled up. Inhale, opening the chest. As you're breathing, allow yourself to relax. Exhale, curled up. Abs are engaged. Keep going. Gaze between the knee when you come up. Inhale, open. Exhale, abs scoop in. 2 more times. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, open. Exhale, come back. From here, we're going to roll up. Extend your legs, arms by ears. Let your spine stretch over the ball. Inhale, reach arm to sky. Exhale, rolling up. Inhale, stretch forward. Exhale, rolling right back down onto ball. Making sure your spine is on the ball. Exhale, abs scoop in. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, slowly rolling down. Extending back over the ball. Again, exhale, rolled up. Quadriceps are engaged. 2 more times. Keep going. Controlling abs when you roll back. Keep breathing. Exhale, belly button in, rolling up. Inhale, forward. Exhale, slowly coming down onto ball. Inhale, prepare. Exhale, firing the cores. Inhale, forward. Exhale, abs are tight, coming down onto ball. Now roll yourself up. Let's move on to saw. Sit right up on top of the ball. Legs are a little bit wider than mat. If hamstrings are tight, you can bend your knee. You can start as this, or you can follow as I do. Bring the ball close to one thigh. Sit tall, breathing deeply. Inhale, rotate the spine, opposite arm on the ball. Exhale, roll the ball, slightly stretch forward. Inhale, come right back up. Exhale, center to the other side. Do not forcing anything as you roll forward. Keep going. Inhale, rotate, pelvis nice and still. Exhale, rolling the ball, spine stretch forward. Inhale, come back. Exhale, center. Exhale, rolling the ball, spine toward. Slowly articulate the spine. Come back to seated position. Let's move on to single leg stretch. Slowly spine coming down on your mat. Adjust yourself to the middle of your mat. Holding the ball. Bend your knee, tabletop. Lift the chest up. We are going to weave the ball under and around the legs. The ball is making a figure 8 motion under and around. Upper body perfectly still, pelvis not tilting. Keep imprinting. Make sure really press your spine down on your mat. Try not to make back arch. Keep going. Legs nice and long. Gaze between the knees. Squeezing the ab. We almost there. Keep breathing. Bend your knee. Leg close to chest. Stay here for a moment. Breathing deeply. Let's move on to shoulder bridge. Place the ball between your thighs or your knees. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, pelvis up. Ribs are not popping. Squeezing the ball nice and tight. We are going to pulse it up here. Pumping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeezing the glutes at the top. Keep squeezing. Burning inner thighs. Keep going 10 more times. Ribs are not popping. Squeezing the ball. Keep pumping. We almost there. 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going, keep breathing. 10. Hold for a moment. Inhale, one long line. Exhale, slowly down onto mat. Take some deep breath here. Let's move on to teaser. Place the ball between your ankles. Extend your leg to 45 degrees. Arms by ears. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, roll up to V shape, squeezing the ball. Keep this position. Take the ball, put it around ankles. Lower down right legs as you release left arm, and left legs and right arms. Keep focus on core. Relax the shoulder. Neck is long. This is great one for your strength and balance. Keep breathing. If hamstrings are tight, you can bend your knee. Bend your knee, take the ball, feet down on your mat, taking deep breath here. Let's move on to swimming. Bring the ball in front of you. Hands on the top of the ball, pressing the ball. Let upper body drape between the arms. Gaze down, not dropping head. Exhale, right leg up and left. We are going to do this faster. Breathing deeply here. Exhale, glute and abs engage. Both leg up. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When legs up, not arching back. Focus on more glutes. Keep abs tight. Keep going. Not flopping around. No tension on shoulder. Keep pressing the ball. We almost there. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squeezing glute more, not arching back. Inhale, lengthening arms and legs away from you. Exhale, lower down. Taking deep breath here. Let's do shell stretch. Lengthening the spine, breathing deeply here. Breathing in, breathing out. Slowly change it to all fours positions. Let's move on to leg pull front variation. Take the ball behind one thigh. Squeezing the ball in. Hands down onto mat. Extend the other legs. Tuck your toe. Lift the knee. Exhale, lift thigh up. Pulling in center, left and right. Exhale up, pulling in, left and right. Keep squeezing the ball. Shoulder blades are stable. 4 more times. Exhale up, pulling in center, left and right. Exhale up. Spine nice and lengthening. Do not drop your head. Gaze between your hands. Keep focus. Abs are tight. Drop your knees. Let's do the other side. Squeezing the ball in. One leg extend. Toe tuck. Spine nice and long. Knee lift. Exhale, thigh up. Lower down. Right and left. Lift and lower. Right and left. Keep going. Squeezing the ball. Exhale up. Pulling in. Right and left. Hands are pressing on the mat. Shoulder blades are stable. Keep going. Abs are nice and strong. Exhale up. Right and left. Last one. Exhale up. Right and left. Drop the knees. Take the ball out. Do the shell stretch. Lengthening the spine. Slowly come to the all fours position. Place the ball between your ankles. Tuck your toe. Lift the knee. Tailbone toward to the sky. Downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. Taking a lot of oxygen here. Slowly from here, move forward to high plank. One long line. Back to downward dog. Again, high plank. We can add 3 counts push-up here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, up, back to downward facing dog. Move for high plank. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Exhale, up, back to downward facing dog. Drop the ball, slowly walking toward to front of your mat. Breathing in, breathing out. Forward fold. Lengthening your hamstring, relaxing your shoulder. Taking deep breath here. Breathing in, breathing out. Bend your knee. Look forward. Slowly down onto your mat. Let's move on to Mermaid. Adjust yourself to center, sit nice and tall, connect to your sit bone, down onto mat, right leg off to side, left leg flex. Inhale, right arm up, left hand down onto ball or mat, exhale, side bend. Try your armpit toward to sky, opening the side, come back to center, counter stretch to the other side, inhale, left arm up, exhale, side bend, feel the ribs soften again. Inhale, right arm up, exhale, side bend. Try to sit bone down onto mat. Do the other side. Come back to center. Let's switch the leg. Making sure your sit bones are stick onto mat. Your hips and ribs are stacked vertically. Inhale, left arm up. Right hand down onto mat. Exhale, side bend. Opening the side. Inhale, left arm up. Right hand down. Exhale, side bend. Other side. One more time. Come back to center. Move right into butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together. Grab your toe, lengthening your spine. Exhale, forward fold. Going deep into hips, allowing the knee far away from you. Slowly articulate spine. Sit nice and tall. Put your hands on knee. Pressing left knee down more to mat, lengthening inner thigh to the other side. Back to center, taking deep breaths. We are done here. Start each day with a grateful heart. Today is a perfect day to become better. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you have a great day.